Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Most modern phones support eSIM, including iPhone XR and later models. Google Pixel 3 and later phones also support eSIM functionality. Samsung Galaxy S20 and newer models typically include eSIM support. Klook sells prepaid eSIM plans for 1, 3, 7, 15, and 30 days with various data amounts. You must have an unlocked phone and stable Wi-Fi to download and activate the eSIM profile. Keep your physical SIM available to revert if needed. Open the Klook app or website and search eSIM for your destination country. Choose the correct country profile and select a plan with sufficient data and days. Plans show data amounts like 1 GB, 5 GB, or 10 GB and the price. Complete payment with your preferred method and receive a QR code by email within minutes. On your phone, tap Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data, then add eSIM and scan the QR code. Follow on-screen prompts to name and enable the new line. Before travel, confirm the eSIM will activate on your selected start date shown in the Klook order. Scan the QR code, name the line, then enable cellular data for the eSIM in your device settings. Set the eSIM as your primary data line and keep the physical SIM for voice calls if you need to. If the eSIM does not connect, toggle airplane mode off and on, then check the APN settings against Klook instructions. Monitor your data usage in settings and top up or switch plans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.